What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be taking you back to last time I was in Puerto Rico. I was playing basketball. I was literally just walking around San Juan, walking through the La Perla neighborhood, and I stumbled upon the Carmelo Anthony basketball court. It seemed like he built that after the hurricane that occurred last year. So it was real cool, super colorful, and super dope. While I was there, I seen somebody shooting around. Turned out he was a professional basketball player. And we decided to play one-on-one game to 8 in honor of Kobe. So check it out. Let me know. So before y'all come here and try to flame me, let me just say I wasn't ready to hoop. I have on Adidas trainers. I have on jean shorts. I had on a collar shirt and I had to take it off. It's 100 degrees out here, but I saw somebody hooping, so I had to hoop. So look, I'm talking too much. Just watch this, all right, man? Dang, he hit me with one. That's the first one. That's a lazy bucket though. This lazy D is hot. I told you it's 100 degrees. That's good D right there. Listen, it's hot. I dribbled off my leg. It's hot. He's baking me up real quick. Oh wait, dang, that's a good spin. Damn. Alright, I'm looking real bad right now. Not real bad, just a little bad. But I'm about to get the rock, so you know I'm about to cook up. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, lefty. Lays? Lays? Has he? With the... That's easy. He ain't know I hooped though.
Oh my God.
I had to get a little rhythm. That was tough. Damn, I smart. I gotta hit that one. That's a gimme. That's right. You gotta hit that too. Get on my back. Oof. Dang. I had to get in the room. I gotta get in the room. That's good D. That's good D. Off my man's leg. That's good D. Pause. Hey. Ooh, with the left? With the left? Yeah, that's shifty. Slight though. I'm still trying to get in the rhythm. Hey, hey, hey. Dang, I'm trash. Nah, he just peeled me. He just peeled me. I'm looking bad. I'm looking bad right now. I'm looking bad. Dang. I'm looking real bad on the vacation right now. I'm looking real bad on the vacation. Now I got a strap. You ain't hitting that one. Yeah, you was hitting that one. My shorty recording. He ain't about to hit that one no more. I caught the glass on that one. Pull up on him. Pull up on him. You're gonna make me have to pull up on him. Okay. 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 Pull up. Oh, I almost airborne that one. Ain't had no legs. Just told you it's hot, man. 100 degrees. Damn short. 249.
Come on.
Oh, he's small. Okay. Hey. Hey. Dang. I can't be smoking these. That's a leg. He's smoking them too, though. good right now. 5'3", he's up right now. Hey. One more time. Colton, hit that glass. It's open. Internationally, it's open. Actually, Puerto Rico is in the U.S., so it's not international, but 5 up. 5 up. We playing 8 in honor of Kobe. He didn't read the scouting report, because that's what I do. One more time. Yeah, that was tight. I gotta hit that one. Nah, bro, you're not getting that. You're not getting that one. See, you gotta hit that. If you're not gonna hit, you can't win that game. You're not gonna win the game unless you're making them shots. Hey. Step back. Nah. Yo, I'm official. Son. See, he asking. I told him I retired. He was like, "You ain't retired, bro." Pull up on him. Now I'm getting my rhythm. That's 8-0. I mean, I'm lying, but that's 8. 8 shout out to my man Kobe. I had to finish the game. Listen, I gotta do more of these. I gotta find different countries and hoop in different countries, playing against these pro bowlers, because I need a contract too. Run me my check.